Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and today I have a card share video for you. I am joining hashtag 2crafters1design and also hashtag SatMoreMakes. 2crafters1design, they give you a theme each week and they want you to upload on Saturday your crafty creations from that theme. 2crafters1design is Melissa, she's Moe Creations. Lisa, who's UCYIMADIVA. Gloria with Girlier's Cards. I'm also joining hashtag SatMoreMakes, and that's Jill. She's Jillian, Norwood Design, Greenwood Girl Cards here on YouTube, and she wants you to design all week and put your creations on Saturday morning to share with everyone. So the theme for 2crafters1design this week was lighting or light, I think. So I kind of looked in my stash and I really couldn't think of anything, but at the last moment I thought that what I used would work. So let me share with you what I used. So from Spellbinders, I used my favorite embossing folder. I'm gonna have to stop using this so much, but I just love it so much. It's the 3D embossing folder, and I think it's called Leaves. I also used this DMC Diamond Grade or Grande string or cord or whatever you want to call it. It's really pretty. It has a really nice shimmer, and it worked out really well. And then from Spellbinders, I used the Color Essential Gems, the Crystals Silver Mix. And then the star of the show was this Stitching Die of the Month from May 2025 by Spellbinders, and it's called Stitch Study Nook, and it has 15 cutting dies. So I've been having this for a while. This is from May 2025, and I was excited to use it. Finally pushed myself to use it. So let me share with you my card. So here's the card. And as you can see, super simple, just the little cat sitting on the chair with the plant and the rug and the light. So this is what I use to kind of address the theme of lighting. And it's this lamp that would be shining light on the little cat. And as you can see here on his little collar, I put one of those little diamond gems because this is a special cat. You can tell by his face if you can't see it. But here is my design. Let me know what you think about it below. I want to thank you for watching this video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you have been around for a while, I really appreciate all the views, all the likes, and all the comments. So once again, this is for 2crafters1design and SatMoreMakes here on YouTube. So thank you, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.